Hi guys. So I've been Meguiar's fan for many years. Their products are amazing. I use them on my cars, especially my Supra, my wife's cars. And basically, the last 3 years, I think this is year 3, year 3 that I've sponsored by them. So I apply on their website every year towards the end of the year, beginning of the year, depending. They submit, they basically have their open for sponsorship, and you submit your car, shows and events that you're going to be going to and everything like that. When you apply, if you get accepted, which I have, all you have to do is put a decal on your car and then post to social media, which I've already been doing. You can check that out on my Instagram. But they send a ton of stuff. This is a couple $100 worth of cleaning supplies. You can do the math yourself. Once you see everything, it's absolutely crazy how much stuff they send. So last year they sent twice. The year before that they sent, I think, once. But it was like, I did the math, it was like over $500 worth of stuff. So I put this one in a trash bag because of the fact that it did leak something. I don't know what's in this. So I put it in a bag, that way it wouldn't leak any more than it already has all over my floor. But it leaked in shipping. So this is their new 2020. Oh, and it started to mold. Lovely. Their new 2020. Their new 2020 container, but it obviously got ruined in shipping and sitting. So let me open this up and see what's actually in it and see what leaked, because that's not fun. Plus, it's causing mold on the box itself, even though it's been sitting to dry out. So yeah, that's what did it. Of course, the best thing in there, as you can see, the ceramic hydro ceramic clay, quick clay kit is absolutely destroyed. This towel is wet. I'm gonna toss it over here. And of course, again, wet. Like all of these are, all of these are wet. But it comes with a bunch of these towels, detailing towels, which is awesome. I'll just have to wash them, but it comes with a lot. Oh my God, yeah. It comes with a ton of towels. So it looks like, the entire, that sucks. The most expensive thing, the hydro ceramic detailer, completely empty. That's sad. And then I've got the liquid ceramic wax, which is wet. Let me use one of these towels. I know, it's just, wow. Set everything to the side. Then you've got hybrid ceramic detailer. Then I've got the ultimate leather detailer. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to try this on my seats in my 370Z. I love interior cleaner. And then what is this? Citrus Power Cleaner Plus, formula for interior and exterior use, low foam, solvent free detailer. Oh, so it's like a interesting cleaner. I'm gonna have to read up on that. So let me, so the best thing, that ceramic detailer is just destroyed. The next thing it always comes with, that they always send, is a box full of things to give away at car shows. So this is the ultimate wash and wax, and they're like little packs that you can give away, and it's an entire box of them, which is crazy. And then, yes, another box. Like, it's just, the boxes never end. What is in this? Oh man, it's got a lot of stuff. So another wash mitt. More towels. More towels, which I love because you can never have enough towels. More towels. These are awesome for drying. And then where to begin? So you have four more pads. Then you have the waterless wheel and tire. Waterless wheel and tire. Waterless wheel and tire. It's usually always a couple bottles of everything. Then 3 bottles of the waterless wash and wax. So you can see ultimate waterless wash and wax. Then 2 bottles of the ultimate wash and wax. Then you've got the interior detailer cleaner, good for detailing your dashes and stuff like that that's not leather. The 3-in-1 wax, clean, polish, and protect, remove swirl, spotless. So this is their newer product. Then you've got the metal polish, because you need that for, like, depending on what wheels you have, exhaust. This comes in handy for a lot of different stuff for your metals. Then you've got another interior cleaner. Then you've got the ultimate compound color and clarity restoration. And then 2 bottles of their glass cleaner. That's awesome. I can't thank Meguiar's enough. I can't thank you guys enough for following my car, following my build, and then following my channel and watching my videos. If you're trying to get sponsored by them, like, I'll try to put the information in the video description before. There's gonna be a link to their sponsor site, but it's only active during like end of year, like I want to say November, December. This year, because of COVID and everything, they pushed it back. Originally I pushed it back to like January or February, I think, and then it got pushed back to, I think, April, and then I think it actually got pushed back to June. So they pushed it back a lot further than they normally do. So that said, thank you for watching. What do you think of all the stuff? Do you have Meguiar's? What products do you prefer within Meguiar's? I can't wait to try the new ceramic, which this looks like it was opened as well. So I can't wait to try the new ceramic products on the car. I was really hoping for that one bottle that unfortunately is the bottle that completely empty, which is their ceramic detailer. Ugh, that sucks. I want to try all that on my Supra and see how it, worked out using all their products from this one kit. So, but thank you for watching. Please don't forget that like and subscribe. Now check out whatever videos YouTube recommends to you, and thanks for watching. Bye.